and welcome to E-News of IPR Department. I'm Manisha presenting you all the news bulletin. Firstly, the headlines. Health Bulletin of COVID-19 as on 13th of December by Health Department. Governor and Chief Minister of Sikkim condoles demise of former Cabinet Minister. Run against COVID-19 in Gangtok. The Fit India movement campaign throughout the state and nation. Training of 254 East District teachers as health and wellness ambassadors. The National Press Day Celebration 2020 at Saramsa Garden. Now in details. In the Daily Health Bulletin on Sunday, Health Department informed that the Sikkim registered 22 new cases, 20 from East District and 2 from South District in the last 24 hours ending Sunday evening, taking the state's tally of confirmed COVID-19 cases, which stands at 5,338. There are now 356 active cases in the state, of whom 3 are in the ICU facility of the COVID-dedicated STNM hospital. The Governor of Sikkim, Sri Ganga Prasad, offered a condolence to the demise of former Minister of Sikkim, late Sri Aita Singh Baraili. He expressed his consolation to the family members, further prayed for strength and solace to withstand the loss and for the departed soul to rest in peace. Likewise, Chief Minister Sri Prem Singh Tamang also grieved about the untimely demise of former Minister and Member of Sikkim Legislative Assembly, Sri Aita Singh Baraili. Chief Minister extended his deepest condolences to the bereaved family members in the hour of grief and prayed for the departed soul to find eternal peace. 15-kilometer marathon run against COVID-19 was flagged off by Honorable Chief Minister Sri Prem Singh Tamang yesterday at MG Marg, Gangtok. The event was organized by Sikkim Krantikari Morcha Sports Wing. All the Cabinet Ministers, all Sikkim Contractor and Welfare Association Chairmen, Chairpersons and Sport Wing President were also present for the event. Member of Parliament Sri Indrahang Subba and Political Secretary to Chief Minister Sri Jacob Khaling also participated with full spirit to motivate young generation of our society. The participants from all walks of life and from all age groups participated, with the global pandemic taking its toll, prioritizing health and staying fit and healthy, which has become more important than ever. The Fit India movement campaign under the theme Fitness Ka Dose Aadha Ghanta Roz, which started on 1st December 2020, throughout the state and nation was observed successfully at the playground of Government Senior Secondary School Soaring by the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs under Soaring Subdivisions, West Sikkim on 13th December. The 4-day-long online training program for school teachers of 127 state government schools of East Sikkim was jointly organized by Population Education Cell, SCERT, Education Department and Rashtriya Kishore Swastha Karyakram Unit of Health Department, Government of Sikkim from 8th to 11th December. These trained health and wellness ambassadors will create a support group of students in their respective schools who will serve as health and wellness messengers. They jointly will spread awareness regarding preventive health by organizing appropriate activity sessions of 1 hour every week in their respective schools to promote joyful and healthy learning. For the state of Sikkim, a state resource group of 16 members comprising of faculty members from SCERT and DIET, schools, heads and officials from State Education and Health Department has been trained by the National Resource Group. The curriculum and training materials for this program is prepared by NCERT in consultation with Union Ministries of Health and Education, Government of India. The National Press Day Celebration 2020 with the theme Role of Media During COVID-19 and its Impact on the Media was organized at Saramsa Garden on Saturday. The program was graced by Minister for Information and Public Relations Department Sri Loknath Sarma as the chief guest, along with the Minister Sri Karma Lode Bhutia, Sri M.N. Serpa, MLAs, Lok Sabha MP Sri Indrahang Subba, Political Secretary to HCM, Press Advisors to HCM, Advisors, Chairperson, Heads of Departments, President, Press Club of Sikkim, Media Fraternity and IPR officials and staff. National Press Day is celebrated every year on 16th November. This year, however, due to the ongoing pandemic and also since the day coincided with the Diwali holidays earlier, the IPR department organized the event on 12th December. The main highlight of the event was the presentation of various awards to the journalists for their exemplary contributions in the field. During the program, the Photo Video Bank website developed by the IT section of IPR department and the e-calendar app Digital Calendar 2021, also developed by the IPR department, was consequently launched through the hands of the chief guest and dignitaries on the dais. This app has been designed in the almanac and regular IPR calendar format and provides exclusive features of images of the calendar that change every fortnight while offering a view of the significance of the holidays when pressed on the date of holidays in the app. It is widget based and can be downloaded on both Android and iOS phones. Likewise, the minister also launched Spectacular Sikkim campaign on digital media conceptualized by the IPR department. This campaign will focus on Sikkim and its unique features and will function as government's portal of infotainment. Earlier, the same day, Minister Sri Ellen Sharma also officially inaugurated the newly established Press Club Bhavan at MP Golai in Tadung. This marks a historic milestone for the press and media fraternity in the state, as the much-awaited dream of having its own infrastructure of the press has become a reality with the efforts of the state government under the visionary leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Prem Singh Tamang. This much for today. We'll be back with the more updates. Keep watching E-News of IPR department. Thank you.